Okay, everybody said I needed a garage. Well, here you go. Digging out all the topsoil. I got it all dug out, and then my nephew came over here and dug a little bit more. So we're digging a little bit more. I'm gonna bring a bunch of dirt back. Well, we moved a lot of dirt today. I think that is 16 loads so far. And we still got to come up another 6 inches right here. That post is leaning, but 6 inches here and about a foot low there. So we get all this built back up. I think Monday they'll bring in some more dirt. It's quitting time on Friday. And now we got the grandson driving the skid steer. He's taking driving lessons. Been pretty good for 8 years old there, right? But anyway, coming along, man. We'll come in here and grade this off smooth. And so this is going to give us a 2-foot apron all the way around the building. It should look pretty good. Place starting to look a little bit different. Well, we're gonna put a garage in right there. And now we don't even need a garage because the square body is gone. So, well, we ordered this garage in April. It is now end of September. And the garage will be here next Friday. So concrete gets poured next week. I'll let it sit there and cure for a little bit. There's the puppy. And all that right there gets to go away whenever we get the garage built. This is gonna be a 40 by 45 garage. And I think we're going to go potty. Yep, so there we go.